our A finalists in the boys 13 and over 200 fly. Swimming in lane 1 from Golds Aquatic, Brandon Stride. Lane 2, Nathan Quarterman, Boise Y. Lane 3, Reed Anderson, Golds Aquatic. Your top seed tonight swimming for Velocity Swimming, Connor Elwyn.
Let's go,
Lane 5, Jackson Cunningham, Boise Y. Lane 6, Dylan Faust, Missoula Aquatic. Lane 7, Camden Wunderlich, Golds Aquatic. And in lane 8, Paul Schutt.
Let's go, Con.
And Paul Schutt in lane 8 is from Streamliners.
He's at about 29. Let's go, Connor, go! Yeah. He's a 14-year-old, so he's kind of nervous about going against all these big guys, Go after him, Con. Go! 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 Reel him in, Con. Go, Connor, go! Go! Nice job, Con.
That's a huge drop.
He's 16-1.